$125 service call on a big house like this, and about 50 bucks really just for the gutters. So for $175 on a house this size, getting your gutters and your roof cleaned off, that is actually a pretty good price. And if you don't feel comfortable on that ladder, don't do it. It's dangerous. Dangerous. Very slippery, metal on metal, just so you know. You can walk up there and slip very easily. Probably should have brought a broom to drag some of that. Probably should have brought a broom to drag some. You want one of them cushions? Huh? Okay. Cushions and blower coming up. First one's the short one right here, boss. Second one, and what I'm giving him there is called a pitch hopper. That's actually for climbing on a roof. And trust me, it will save your behind.
I need a blower.
All right, blower coming up. If you're cleaning out gutters and you got to get on that roof, see how steep that is? Them pitch hoppers will stand you right on top of that thing without having to worry about falling off the thing, slipping and sliding. So, although Pitch Hopper doesn't pay me for advertising for them, I have made a lot of advertisements for them. Here you go, my friend. I got my foot on it, brother. All right, coming up. Yeah, look at these pitch hoppers, how awesome they are to move up a roof on. Yeah, isn't that awesome, Paul?
Yeah, just sit up here.
Yeah, you can sit right up on that thing, move your foot a little bit, put it up, and be right super comfortable. Look at that. That's on a, what, 10-12? What, a 10-12 pitch? Minimum. She does have nail pops here and there. You have a missing shingle right there, Paul. Yeah. The corner board is so tight to the roof that it can't breathe.
Yeah, water can't go under.
No, the hardy board is deteriorating badly. You can see it all the way up through the whole bottom edge is chipping off. The reason for that is that the hardy board goes down too tight to the roof. It's absorbing water, and when this stuff absorbs water on the bottom edge, it expands and starts chipping and falling off like that. And unfortunately, paint doesn't fix that. That needs to be raised up off the roof a little bit so that it's not touching the shingles. And that's why they got that problem. Not to mention they are missing shingles here. Right here, there's a nail sticking up underneath the roof. It's making it bulge right there, so there's a nail pop. I've seen a few of them on this roof already. But the biggest problem I'm seeing so far, and we'll find out in the back too, is that hardy board deteriorating.
Yeah, it is. Like this.
Huh? Put the phone in my bucket. How you gonna get that front there, Paul? Okay.
There wasn't much up there.
No, I can still see it hanging out all the way across.
Yeah.
Just a little bit, but I can still see it. I got you, brother. I'm on it. The bottom ain't going nowhere. You got it, old man? Oh man. We are getting old. No, I can't catch. I'm a terrible catcher. Pitch hopper. See that? Pitch hopper. Patent pending. Secure personal fall assist system before using products. Secure personal fall arrest system before using product. So in other words, rope, strings, all that kind of stuff is recommended. What's you need, buddy? Blower?
Yeah.
Coming to you, my friend.
Another single?
Another shingle missing?
Yeah.
A hole?
A hole?
Uh-oh.
Yeah, a hole.
Hole in the roof?
Yeah.
I wonder if that's what's going around back. Going on around back. I have to get a couple pictures of that, Paul. Once you get it cleaned off, I'm gonna pick up some more pine straw. By the way, anybody watching this channel, I haven't told a lot of people, I've told a few. I have another channel. It's totally different from roofing. What's that, buddy? Yeah, you want a picture?
No, roof pitch.
Roof pitch?
Yeah, cushions.
Oh, you want a cushion, I'm sorry.
No problem.
Pitch hopper.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
I got you, buddy. I only got one. Where's the other one? Right there, top of the trash can. Number one, pitch hopper. Uno, dos. Going to the top. Watch how these things are used here. I'll stand on the ladder till you get off. Watch how that's used right there. Pitch hopper.
You come throw me that one?
What do you need, buddy?
You come throw me this?
I will. Sure will.